Hello friend, my name is Ivers, I'm indie iOS developer and freelancer as well, so I'm freelancing way more than building my own applications. But I still have several own applications in the App Store, and one of them just hit 6,000 monthly users milestone. That's quite big for my application. And I shared this information on the Instagram and received plenty of questions about application, about revenue and so on. So I have questions and I will try to provide answers. I will try to stick to the Q&A questions and answers format for this video. I will add a little bit background here. Most popular from my applications is freediving apnea trainer. I launched this application 2 years ago, and then I wasn't expected that I will see a lot of users. Main reason to build this and few more applications was to build portfolio, because I was planning to start freelancing, what I'm doing right now, and I just needed some live applications in the App Store to point to my potential customers. Let's jump to the questions. Side note, if you are new here, I am mostly recording videos about iOS development and freelancing related topics. If you are interested, there is a subscribe button. It will be really nice if you will hit like button, of course, as well. So, questions. Just asking for future help. Yes, you can always write questions to me. I am trying to answer and help as much as possible, but please do not write questions what you can easily just Google. Okay, how did you gain users? Basically, I did very little on user gaining. I was testing advertisements in the App Store when it was for free, but I didn't saw very big traction. And mostly I'm relying on App Store search. I posted in some Reddit groups my application, but I didn't saw big feedback. Also, Instagram or YouTube also is not very big driver of users. So there are few backend related questions: how to make admin panel, and what language I use for backend and frontend, and how I maintain application with large user base without team. So for most of my freelance projects or my own applications, I am using Firebase. This is flexible enough, let's say so, to build the application, to maintain users and so on. For bigger projects, usually customer have their own backend and backend team. So I am not developing custom backend. It is a little bit too much. For backend, so there is no language, this is just a Firebase database and it's it, and frontend it is Swift in my case. So what about making video tutorial to show how build application? There are plenty of video tutorials around actually for different application building and so on. I do not feel that I would like to specialize this YouTube channel like a tutorials only channel. So it will be boring very fast for me. How to share all of the process of application building, it's very long, and I do not believe a lot of people would like to follow that really, because it's reading documentation, Stack Overflow, asking questions to friends and so on, and coding. It's not so interesting to watch, like live show, and tutorials, it's not my thing. What sources I'm using to expand my knowledge about programming? I highly recommend Swift by Sandel webpage. It's quite good at very advanced level. For a little more on beginner level, and also including more advanced topics, that's hacking with Swift. That is my go-to resource on the web if I'm looking to learn something new in Swift, and quite often I find it in search if I'm searching for some specific solution. From YouTubers, I highly recommend to check out Sen Allen's video channel. That's perfect, and I will link here. Actually, I made video how to learn iOS development. There are a lot of resources in that video linked, so check that video as well. So is it good time to make any app? Always it is good time to make app, because for example, to do applications, every person is very specific, every person has specific needs, and maybe your approach for note taking to do application, whatever application, will fit enough users to find a market for your application, because App Store is huge. How do you market yourself to get clients? I assume that this is question more about freelancing. Actually, I have a video on freelancing as well. My marketing basically is my apps. I have website as well. I do not update this portfolio very often, but in some point of freelancing career, actually you are not looking to get more customers because you have ongoing projects, and right now I am booked till the end of the year, so after that I will think how to market myself. First customers are very hard to get, but each new customer is easier and easier to get, and yeah, you have to find first 3 to 5 customers, and after that it will be very easier. Yeah, how much money this application brings in about months? There was few more about money. Okay, I will cover a money topic at the end. If you're waiting for that, you can jump to the end. I just like to open another screen to show numbers. Which services I'm using for marketing? Actually nothing. I tried few services, but I didn't see any impact. What was most hard developing my own applications? That is always, if you are, in my case, I learned iOS development on my own, and it's very hard to understand do you made right approaches because you don't have more senior developers around. So that is always hardest. That is what I see the hardest part in the development. You see that you can get the result what you like to get in several different ways, and you actually don't know which one of them is the best. So that is hardest for me. So yeah, just want to know how to start programming. Again, I have that video about how to learn iOS development. That is about learning UI kit. Currently Swift UI also is another thing to learn. I have a video on that topic as well. So I think that you have to jump to the Swift UI, and resources that I would like to recommend again is this Hacking with Swift. Is a very good resource. You can start learning for free, and if you like, then you can buy some books from this resource. So, a question from Alan. There are 3 questions. Yeah, actually, I highly recommend to follow Alan. He's doing amazing things with RKit. Questions: how I spot issue? I am a freediving enthusiast. Breath holding is the thing for me, and I wanted to try my breath holding skills to stay under the water for longer time. So I understand that there should be programs, some application for that, and few of applications was in the App Store, but I really didn't like any of them, so I decided to build my own. Yes, and there are competing apps. Marketing, almost nothing. Yeah, almost nothing. As I said, some posts on Reddit, Facebook groups maybe. Do not even remember. Basically, and that is the launch with iterate. I'm definitely iterating because first version was very simple, and I added more and more and more. That is my approach. Let's jump to the topic what everyone would like to see. This is my Firebase database dashboard, and you can see current data what we have in the system right now. So right now I see that for last 28 days we have 6,200 users of the application. Users in last 13 minutes 25, it's not a big number. And here you can see in-app purchases 48, and everyone likes to see numbers. So here are the numbers. In the last 28 days, from 6,000 users, this application generated 211 euros. and this revenue is split in two parts. One part is ad mode, that is advertisement. In my case, those are almost 70 euros are income from advertisement, and 140 euros is from in-app purchases. So those are my numbers. I don't know, are they good or they are not good? It really depends. Maybe someone have much bigger, much better revenue on a similar user base. So I would like to know, that will be interesting to know, and I believe that everyone who is still watching also would like to know that. If you have application and your application in the App Store, please let us know in the comments some information that you are ready to share. If not, it's fine as well. But when you are going back down to the comments, there are like and subscribe buttons, so it will be very nice if you will hit on them, but it's up to you, it's your decision. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.